Hi everyone, welcome back to Children's Art Club with the very smart and pretty girls beside me. This one is Abia, this one is Devanka, and this is the handsome one, Mr. Al, the handsome and smart. All right then.
Teacher smart.
Yeah, actually, these 3 weeks, I mean this, we already learned about this thing since last 2 weeks, and then now we are in the 3 weeks. It means that we are finalizing our lesson. Okay, our lesson is related with how we take care of our earth, and then I actually encourage all the students, or I mean all the kids here, to save the the earth by making a poster. Yeah, and then now we already connected with a lot of awesome students here. We have Ares and Pio, we have Glenn. Hi, good morning, I mean good afternoon everyone. And we have also Nico. Oh, Nico, you know what, Nico nowadays becoming more better in English and also more better in presenting his work. Good job, Nico. I give you 2 thumbs up and keep up the good work. We have also Tori and Rachel, as usual. You both of you are always together. And we also have Aleta. Hi, Aleta. How are you today? Good? Okay, don't be shy, Aleta. See that these two kids are always smiling and they do not really feel shy. And we have also Rachel, which is always smiling, and Tori also will always like, yeah, something like that. And we have Glenn, who's always like, be serious like that. We also have Ares and Fio. Wow, nice background, Ares and Fio. You put the virtual background at the back. Wow, that's good. You are now, yes, in the middle of the bridge. Be careful. Don't go too far. Yeah, you will be goes to the sea later on.
Flying.
Yeah.
You flow to the sea.
Right, guys. Today we're going still learning about how we save the earth by making a poster. Yeah. After this lesson, after this session, we're going to send your drawing to the committee, and I hope that we're going to send 3 of your work by taking photos and then send it to the committee, and I hope that one of them can be the winner. And if it is not win, it's okay. It's only for fun. Okay. No need to think about the result. At least we just send it. No need to think about the result.
Can we submit?
Cannot. You only can submit 3 painting. I mean 3 picture of your painting. And don't throw your painting, because if they announce you as a winner, they will check it. Do you still keep your painting or not? Something like that. Yeah. So don't throw all the 3 painting that you make for last 2 weeks and today. Right, you're going to start as usual. Today you're going to make a poster. Yeah, the poster is a little bit different. The poster we will going to draw people, and then the earth at the back, and then with the word, and then with decoration at the left and the right side, and to make it more beautiful. I'm going to share you some idea. All right, this is some of the idea that you can get it. All right, this is the no. This is the poster. Yeah. Usually people or students make a poster like this, right? They create a square, I mean a circle, a shape with the nice hands like that, and then with a tree and some of the word in the middle of the uh, earth. I mean in the middle of the earth shapes, the circle. So I want you to, I mean, I will show you how to do it, but for Ares and Pio, you have to make it different ya. Ares sama Pio jangan tiru Mr. Al, bener-bener tiru jangan. Kamu harus do it improvisasi. Ya, jangan ikuti Mr. Al. Mr. Al kasih tahu sedikit, tapi Ares harus mengembangkan idenya dengan idenya Ares and Pio. Nico juga atau juga. Mr. Al cuma kasih basicnya buat Devanka, buat Abia, buat yang lower level, ya, sama Elbrus sama Rachel.
But can I make it better?
Ya, tapi Aleta, Tori, Ares dan Vio dan Nico, kalian harus bikin, dan Glenn juga harus improve. Improvisasi, nggak boleh sama-sama Mr. Al. Oke, misalnya cuma kasih contoh, kalian harus mengembangkan idenya jadi lebih keren. Oke, ini adalah contoh-contoh poster yang ada di internet. Kita ambil still the idea, tapi jangan di copycat, jangan di copy paste. Oke, oke, wait. And then ini ada lagi video tentang how that our planet in the danger situation right nowadays. Okay, enjoy watching the video first. Okay. Yang terakhir itu kan misalnya dibagi dua kasta, gelap, gelap, kayak biro doang kemarin yang ya udah nggak apa-apa.
Iya, Bu. Ada AA lagi belajar.
Nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Nowadays, our earth becoming so polluted. Yeah. So many pollution. And I'm so sad actually to see people keep on throwing the trash on the road, not in the proper trash bin. See that even the bear now looking for a place for them. Koalas now is becoming very sad. The sea becoming so many trash. See, this is the condition that humans are very destructive. If we don't react, our earth becoming destroyed in the short. So this is global warming. Get going. Yes, we have to save the planet. The earth needs our help. To save the earth. Okay then, now we are in a discussion moment first before we draw. Hai, suara siapa itu? Okay, I'm going to ask Glenn first. Glenn, how we can save our earth?
By using our plastic bag from home.
Okay, good. So we have to bring our own paper bag or our own cloth bag to go to the supermarket, right, Glenn?
Yes.
How about you, Nico? Nico, gimana caranya? How to save our earth?
We have to recycle the plastic.
Yeah, good job. We have to recycle things, yeah? Like this one, I found this one. I buy something from, and I'm using this bucket for the plastic. I mean, put the water. And I'm going to use it for our painting later on. How about Aleta? How to save our Earth, Aleta? What can we do?
Cleaning the ocean.
By cleaning the ocean, yeah. That is also a good idea of how we can.
Not of trash.
Yeah, from the trash. Don't litter our ocean. Yeah, don't throw our trash to the trash. If you have a litter, I mean, if you have any trash, you can just put it in your pocket first, and then while you are omit some trash bin, you can put it there. How about you, Tori, Rachel? Wait. Tori and Rachel, how we can save our Earth? Rachel first. Rachel, gimana caranya supaya kita bisa menyelamatkan bumi kita?
Cleaning up
Cleaning up what? Cleaning up what?
the mess.
Cleaning up the mess. That
The mess.
what?
Cleaning up the mess.
Cleaning up the
Mess.
mess. Yeah, I agree with you. How about you, Tori? How we can save our Earth?
You.
By what?
Do not litter.
Sorry?
Do not litter.
Do not litter. Yeah, that is the good answer. Thank you, Tori. How about you, Ares and Theo? How we can save our Earth? Now our Earth becoming so dying. So many people don't care and they just throw everything on the road, on the ocean. Then how we can save our Earth? How we can, yeah, you get what I'm saying.
Planting a tree.
Planting the tree. Good job. We have to plant more tree. Yeah. How about you, Theo? Do you have any other opinion? What? Just a simple things that you can do in your house, maybe. Theo, we are waiting, Theo. What can protect our world? I mean, our Earth. What? Okay, how about from Ruth first? Ruth, how we can save our Earth? Just mention a simple things that you can do to save our Earth. How is it, Ruth? And how about you, Depanka? How to save our Earth?
So, like, if there is a plastic bottle, you can use it for making something like, for example, a piggy bank or something else that is useful.
Okay, Depanka said that we can reuse the things that we already use and we can make it as a new things to be useful for our life.
Like
How about you, Abia? Gimana caranya kita protect our Earth? Cara yang simple yang bisa dia lakuin. Apa? Jangan buang sampah sembarangan. Yeah, maybe Abia agree with that. How about you, Ruth? Okay, how about you, Albrus? Ruth, how we can save our Earth? Oh, maybe you're still thinking about it. Okay then. Just now, actually, we already play our video about how our Earth is in danger because so many people don't care, so many people littering, so many people just cut the trees without thinking about how to solve the problem later on. And then, yeah, then we are now in the session that we are discussing how to save our Earth. All right then. So now I want you to prepare your paper. If you're already done with your paper, please thumbs up. Thumbs up if you're ready with your paper. Okay, good. Alpro's ready, I think. And then how about your marker? You ready with your marker? And one more, I want you to, to get something circle. Can I get that one, please? Abia, take it, take it. Yeah, Abia, take that one. All right, guys, I want you to find some circle things around you. Circle things like this. Can you get the circle things, please, around you?
Oke, kebetulan.
Cari benda yang bulat seperti ini ya. Kita akan membuat apa namanya di belakang dengan menggunakan ya. Good job, Tori. Good job, Rachel. Good job, Aleta. Good job, Ares. And Albrus and Glenn. Please find some circle things to make the earth round look so perfect. All right, ready now? Okay, I want you to draw people first on this part.
What?
I want you to draw people in the middle of the paper.
Oh, portrait, yeah.
As usual, these people are using.
Can I do it with this?
Yeah, okay, Glenn, correct. You can use that thing.
Can you hear Ruth's voice?
Can I what?
Can you hear Ruth's
What
voice?
is that?
Ruth, please do not activate the virtual background. I cannot see you there. It looks so white.
Okay.
Don't activate the virtual background.
What is that?
You have any questions so far, Ruth?
What is that?
Suaranya bisa kedengeran ya?
Suaranya kedengeran kok. I can hear you.
That's good.
Don't worry. Yeah. All right, guys. I want you to draw the people just a little bit at the bottom side, yeah, not too high.
Bottom side, not too.
Because we're going to draw the earth at the top of the yeah.
I'm wrong.
Yeah, can just use that. Yeah, if you make a wrong, yeah, you can modify it by use the back side of the paper. Yeah, I'm going to use this.
Kamu udah benar.
Okay, this will be the earth, and this will be the human, the people. Yeah, you can make it 2 or 3. Ares and Pio, ingat, you cannot, please do not copy paste me. You have to create your own. Ares sama Pio nggak boleh nyontek. Kalian versi kalian sendiri. Okay. Today we're going to make a poster of. It's okay. Yeah.
We have to make our own drawing of Earth.
Yeah. This is the example, Glenn, but you can modify based on your idea. Okay, Aris and Pio, please, Aleta juga, Ruth juga, Tori, kalau bisa kalian bikin versi kalian sendiri. You can make it using your own version of Save the Earth poster, ya. You can solve the problem. It's okay. Okay, now draw the neck as usual. And then I'm going to make this kid happy. He's so happy. And then I'm going to remember that you already know how to draw people, right? So if you already know, please do not follow Mr. Al. You can make your own way how to draw it. Mr. Al tried to draw a people back, and he's like feeling, oh my God,
That's why.
are like that.
Ayo,
Yeah, Ruth,
follow
you
Mr.
can start to draw the people by drawing the U first.
Okay. Put in the anu. To look at. Draw this one first. Ini loh saya.
Okay, guys, if you have any question, just ask me, yeah. I'm going to do it in the beginning then.
Itu.
First one is to draw the shape of a U. This good. And put the ears on the left and the right side.
Yo.
Then put the back.
I cannot remember.
You cannot remember? Okay, you can follow me now. Go.
Oh. Ini.
Draw the U
Gambarnya
and
gini. Dah.
Yes, funny.
okay, draw the ear on the left and the right side.
Can I draw my own drawing, Mr. Al?
Yeah, Glenn, you can make your own drawing.
Enggak apa-apa. It's okay.
Yeah, Glenn, if you can make it by yourself, it's okay. Ares and Pio also do not follow me. You can make your own.
Okay.
Yeah.
not following.
Oh, saya.
Kitty
Huh?
cat ears.
Aku udah punya.
I can't understand.
Kitty cat ears.
Up to you. Up to you.
Come on, Ruth. I'm waiting for you. Come on. Draw the eyes with a nice eyebrow. And then this person are smiling. Okay, this person using a hat. Yeah.
It's a hat. Using a hat.
Kenapa sayang?
Using a hat.
It's okay. You can do according to your. That's okay. Be creative. That's fine, sayang.
Guys, it's okay if you can make it using
Oh,
your
wait,
own hand.
Mr.
don't
Al has.
Follow me. You don't need to follow me. Your idea is more better than Mr. Al. If Mr. Al draw people with hat, you can draw your own things. Okay, I'm going to draw the neck here. Come on, Ruth, draw the neck first.
Nggak boleh.
And then I'm going to draw the hands. Can I borrow yours, please? For a moment? And then this girl are so happy because she can protect
You fail?
like that. And then Mr. I will draw the back on the right side. That.
Kenapa yang ini gagal?
Like that. And then I'm going to draw the circle on this part. Where's the circle thing, Bijiki? Okay, wait. I'm going to draw the circle on this side. Oh, I think the circle are too small. I have to do it by myself. I'm drawing the big circle at the back. And then I'm going to write down bumi kita hanya satu.
Bumi kita hanya satu.
Bumi kita Okay, I'm writing bumi kita hanya satu.
Itu bagus. Tuh.
In the middle of the earth. Then I'm going to draw a bird on this part. You can draw your own bird, yeah? Actually, my bird is a little bit unique because I'm using a simple way how to do it. This is how you draw the bird. First of all, draw small circle like this with the mouth like this one. And then draw a triangle. Draw the body. Draw the tail. Triangle like this. Draw the wings. Like that. Then I can draw some butterfly on this part. Oke. Ares sama Vio boleh pakai kalimat sendiri, misalnya jaga bumi kita atau selamatkan bumi kita. That's why the poster, the function of the poster is how we encourage people
Good.
to do what we want to do. Yes, Glenn, that's good. Where is the word, Glenn?
Ini kita harus
Earth. What do you mean?
I mean, you have to put the word like save the earth or what? What do you want to say?
I said save the earth.
Okay, good job, Glenn. Good job. Thank you. But if it is possible, you can make it bigger so that people can see it even in the very long distance, like that. So this is my earth. Yeah. Now you have to just decorate the left and the right side, yeah. I decorate this one with what, yeah? Maybe
kasih burung, kasih
I don't know. Do you have any idea, guys? Yeah.
I'm going to try to draw chicken.
So like that. How is it? If you guys have any question, just ask me, yeah. Don't be shy to ask.
apa?
Wow, who's reading that? Ya, anak yang pintar itu, ya, good job, ya, besar banget, Glenn. Correct, Glenn, I like it. Save the earth. Ya,
Gini
correct, Glenn. Ya.
harus gede apanya? Orangnya. Ya udah, gue udah.
Nah,
Udah, ini udah.
Mr. Al suka anak yang banyak tanya. Anak yang banyak tanya bukan berarti dia bodoh, tapi dia pengen tahu banyak hal. Ya, makanya Mr. Al paling senang kalau ada anak yang pertanyaannya banyak banget. Mr. Al, kenapa begini ya? Mr. Al, kenapa begini? Kenapa ya gini? Wah, itu keren banget anak yang seperti itu. Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol karena dia nggak malu-malu, dia nanya aja. Karena memang dia pengen tahu. Ya,
Coba tanya.
Glenn, kalau Glenn punya pertanyaan, tanya aja. Mr. Al akan coba bantu sebaik mungkin.
Dibantu sama misternya.
Ya, tunjukin coba lihat, tunjukin gambarnya ke teman. Oh ya, oke, good job. Sekarang di dekorasi di sebelah ini ditambah-tambahin berapa atau ada kambing mungkin ada tumbuhan, ikan.
Dia mau bikin anak.
Ya, buat adik-adik jangan malu-malu ya. Please don't be shy. Even Ares dan Vio, kakak Ares dan Vio. Anak yang pintar adalah anak yang banyak tanya. That's it. Oke, anak yang nggak mau nanya-nanya bukan berarti dia nggak pintar juga, tapi mungkin dia malu. Misal mau kasih tahu kalian, nggak usah malu di kelas, dimanapun, di jalanan. Kalau kalian mau tanya, tanya aja. Karena anak yang seperti itu sebetulnya dia itu pengen tahu, berarti dia sangat critical thinking. Dia pengen tahu, dia tanya aja. I don't care. I just wanna ask. Ya, jadi tanya aja sama mami, sama daddy. Mami, kenapa ya makanannya asin? Mami, kenapa ya kita
Dia lagi
usia selalu misalnya harus mandi? Iya, mau apalagi bertanya? Coba Abia kasih pertanyaan yang simpel. Tanya, ayo.
Kenapa harus sikat gigi?
Nah, kenapa harus sikat gigi?
Nanti giginya bolong.
Nah, ya. Jadi it looks so simple, but actually it is very effective for us. Ya. Oke, tambahin di sininya. Nih, misalnya mau kasih ide, kalau emang nggak ada ide, misalnya mau kasih ide. Teman semua. Ya, ini idenya.
harus banyak.
Kita cari.
Mister harus badannya gede.
Udah, sekarang gede badannya. Tulisannya harus besar, bumi kita harus sehat.
Ya. Boleh. Boleh banget. Animal cartoon. This is so slow. Sorry. Ya, buat adik-adik, one more time I say that anak yang pintar adalah anak yang banyak bertanya. Kalau ada teman kita yang sama bertanya, even that it looks so silly, it sounds so silly, like, what? You asking that question? Is okay. Don't laugh at him or her. Jangan ketawa kalau kita lihat teman kita bertanya. Kita harus lihat, wah, dia benar. Glenn, do you have any questions so far, Glenn?
No.
No, oke. Okay. Ayo, diwarnain yuk.
Not yet done.
Saya mau kasih aku di sini ya. I'm going to draw the beautiful sunflower on this part. Actually, I need to find my charger first. It's so bad. Hey. Oh, this one. Ya, hari ini kita akan mewarnainya pakai cat air dan pakai spidol. Kita tidak menggunakan krayon, tapi kalau teman-teman mau pakai krayon juga boleh. Tapi kalau mau pakai krayon, berarti krayonnya harus lebih awal. Markernya duluan, baru pakai krayon. Jangan sampai krayonnya udah dipakai, terus tiba-tiba pakai marker, markernya terbuka. Glenn, do you have any questions so far?
What?
Okay, I have some question for you, Glenn. How we can, save the earth starting from our activity at home? Just a simple one.
Don't litter.
Sorry?
I think don't litter when you eat.
Yeah, do not litter when you eat. And then what else?
Mm, um,
Turn off your devices after you use it. Right?
yeah,
Turn off the light when you do not use your room.
yeah.
And then what else? Simple things that you can do in your house.
Pick up the trash that you see, I think.
Yeah, I agree with you then, Agnes. Ya, kita akan mewarnai sekarang.
Wait,
Okay.
I'm not yet done.
Not yet done. My goodness.
What do
Yeah.
can I color with crayon?
Pakai apa?
Oh, Glenn, you want to color it crayon?
Yeah.
Can you use color watercolor?
But I don't have enough room because my watercolor is too big. Yeah.
Okay.
Udah,
You can use.
I'm just gonna use my watercolor.
Last time we already learned how to draw monkey, fox, cat, dog. Now you can
Kak, jangan baca itu.
draw it again then. Elbrus asik banget sih itu. Gambar apa Elbrus? Coba lihat. Wah, Elbrus itu masih 3 tahun loh teman-teman. 4 tahun atau 3 tahun. Dia semangat menggambarnya luar biasa sekali. Thank you Elbrus. Warnain ya. Gambar burung, gambar kupu-kupu, gambar kapung. Pokoknya apapun yang Elbrus bisa gambar. Dan untuk Ares dan Vio, don't forget that put so many objects ya. So many objects that later your drawing will look so cool then because you have a lot of objects on your drawing. Ruth, gimana Ruth? How's your drawing, Ruth? Can you show it first? Can you show us, Ruth? Oh, wow, this is good. This drawing is really nice.
Where am I?
Oh, because I pin Mr. Al's video.
Wow, thank you, Ruth. Keep on going with that. Lanjutkan. Good job. Now start. I mean, where's the globe? Where's the big Earth at the back?
Yes, where is the big earth, Ruthie?
Well, because I haven't yet.
Okay. So yeah, I'm waiting. You're done? Okay. No. Wait. There's a flower on the back.
The background.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
No, it's still. Don't leave empty space. I want you to put all the object on the empty space. Make it full of object. Okay. Tori gimana Tori? Tori. Yeah. Okay, just a gentle reminder that we only have 1 minute. Yeah, can you show us this? Sorry. Oh, we only have 1 minute left. If the video are off, please re-log in again using the same password.
Log in again.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't left any space
Yeah.
ya.
Sorry that I think
Semua harus diwarna ya.
we only have like another second. Oh, only 7 seconds. 5, 6, 3, 2, 1. Go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Oh,
Kak, jangan bengong aja.
What?
Kerjain.